Welcome to today's session on the neck care exercises. So we're going to talk on some simple exercises for the neck. That will also cover a little bit of exercises on the shoulder because both the shoulder and neck are closely related, and exercises are required to do for the shoulder as well as the neck. So we are looking at the area around the neck where you can have pain around the line of the trapezius. Sometimes you can have tension headache over here, and you can have pain coming posteriorly around the line of the vertebrae, going down till the lower cervical region. So if your pain is more towards the line of the shoulder and down, it's more of the lower cervical, slightly going up mid cervical, and all the way up is the upper cervical. So you can differentiate different segments. The common problem area is the middle and the lower cervical region, which has some pathologies or discomforts coming around the middle and the lower area. Is how to use a pillow when you lie down. Now, a lot of the time people come and ask us, I use a butterfly pillow, I use a hard pillow, I use two pillows, I use a soft pillow, how to go about it. So what we suggest is a simple solution based on the anatomical aspect. So when you lie down, ideally you have the shoulder, your chin and the ear all to be in a straight line. So when you lie down and you are going to see from the side, you want to make sure that the ear and the shoulder is in a straight line.
Want to see Arthur?
If you can see the level is pretty good, but I'm going to use you can see that the head tends to slightly lift up. So that is not a good sign. It's going against the normal good posture what we can in the person. For Mr. Singh, the ideal pillow will be one single pillow, which is so even though the head sinks down, you can see here from the wrinkles, the head and the shoulder level is still going to be in neutral. Now, if I am going to use a towel or a bed sheet, you can have it folded. So this gives you a little more firm support of the neck when you lie down, rather than just sinking it off down. So this is also equally maintained in the neck position. So this is also a good position to follow. Now, there are people who use it on the shoulder also. So they lie down in such a way that the pillow is half on the shoulder and the neck. No, ideally it has to be only on the neck. The shoulder should be resting down on the cot. It is not necessary that it should be on the pillow. So wherever you lie down, this is the best. If you're going to lie down sideways, so again, we want to see that this is more straighter. So we can see that this is as straight as possible. But if I take one pillow off, the head tends to fall off. So this can be again a problem where this can try and pull this muscle, and the other muscle on the opposite side can become tight. So when you start lying down, this is going to be trying to keep it as straight as possible, and then you sleep. Once you sleep off and you are more into the subconscious where you are not sure, then it is fine. You will change your position, that is not a matter. But when you start to lie down, this will be the right way to start your position when you want to lie down. So you can see there the chin, again, just going down. It's a very small movement, maybe moving just about an inch and a half. Do not lift your head up off the pillow. So it is going to be a slightly rotational movement. And you can start feeling some stretches coming on the back of your neck, particularly at the topmost position. Now, to use it as a stretch, you perform the movement and try and hold it on the same position, count till 10, and then you relax it off. So this will be a stretch movement. So this is called as head nod upper cervical C1, C2, we call that. Just a movement over there. Can we do the stretch again? So we're going to push that chin down nice. You might feel a lot of tightness over here. That is because of the muscles contracting and pulling that cervical down. Now, lying down, we're going to do rotation. We're going to move it sideways, trying to look on that side nice, and this side. Now, the benefit of doing this exercise in lying, you get a better support on the floor. So you can see that he's doing a sideways movement, which is typically a movement what you want them to do is sideways. So we are doing that in the lying position. These are the muscles here. We're going to do a chin down first, like the previous one. And then you're going to try and lift your head as if you're going to try and look at your toes. Hold that position and then go down. Again, chin down, lift it up. And when you go down, don't drop your chin, drop your head, and then your chin is off. So remember, chin down, head up. When you come down, don't drop the chin, head down, and then chin down, relax. From this position, you're going to move your head, go down, forward. So you can see that the body is more straighter. Now take the head down forward, take it down forward, and take it up. So there is no rotation movement. It is moving up straight and down straight. It's a very small movement again. And up. Now how can you be very precise? Try to keep your vision more fixed between your hands so that if you see here, your head is then going up. So try to see more down and take it up. This is going to strengthen these muscles very well. Try and get your hands close to the ear and pull it sideways. Use your strength of the hand, you pull, you will feel a nice stretch coming on this side of the muscle here. You'll feel that stretch. Hold that once you feel the stretch for about 10 counts and you can come up. Let's try the other side. So close to the ear and pull it sideways. Keep your body still. Some people tend to rotate their body along with the pull. That has to be avoided. It is recommended that you do initially in front of the mirror so that you know how your body is positioned and you are doing it in the correct way. You get a very good feedback on that. And back. Now, again, come back straight. 45 degrees. Hands completely behind and pull it down with the chin going down, and you will feel the stretch going at the back all the ways. Sometimes you can feel the stretch going down till the shoulder blades. That is good. Come up and relax. This exercise we did earlier on quadruped, that is in all fours. Now in sitting, when you do, sit straight and keep your eyes fixed straight. And then try to move your head back and forward. So you can see that his body is still head straight and back and forward. Again back and forward. Now mistakes can happen that if you lose your vision contact, you can tend to go up. That is wrong. We don't want that. So it's straight and then you pull it back. So this is going to help for people who are head is going forward or using the computers and writing work. So this is going to get that muscle to work in between your work during the day. The next exercise I'm going to show you is head nod. So you maintain this position, just bring your chin down and up. Chin down. Now, how to teach this exercise? Try to sit somewhere. Keep your body straight and eye focused straight onto an object. From there, just try to see 1 feet to 1.5 feet down that object and go up, so that only your skull is moving on the spine and you're not looking down fully. So look straight, look 1 feet to 2 feet down the focus point and up. You can feel a nice stretch going up very close to the hairline. That is the area of C1, C2 or upper cervical which will get stretched. This can also be a good stretch for tension headache on the posterior side. Now we're going to do a strengthening exercises, which is called as the isometric exercises. When you start, use any of your hand, just put it underneath your chin. Make sure you're not pushing your head forward and putting it, just keep it still. Now, you need to use your chin strength to push it down and your hand is going to break it up. So your chin is pushing down and hand is resisting down. You will feel a lot of strengthening of the muscles coming from the deep neck flexors, what I earlier showed you on lying down. So these are the muscles that is going to strengthen up. You're going to have your hands on one side. You're going to try and move the head as a tilt, side bend. And you're going to resist. So move with your head, resist with your hand. You will feel the muscles tightening up on the sides, on the same side. Count till 10 and relax. We're going to do this side. So you want to be as straight as possible with the arm. You're going to push towards the arm side. You're going to feel the tightness on the sides. So this time you're going to try to rotate your neck and you're going to resist. So it's going to strengthen your rotators. So that will be your strengthening for the rotators. The thing is, you want to try and move the shoulder blades downwards. Try and move. Yes. So you see that shoulder blade going nice and down. Blades are going to be brought together in. So the first exercise was to pull the shoulder blades downward. The second exercise is to bring them together. So see that it's only the shoulder blades that's moving and not much from the shoulder or the hand. So you have isolated this separately. So you're going to try and get that movement as much as possible. Try and maintain a V shape. Maintain it. Allow the shoulder blade to pull and then you lift the arm up and down. Again, allow the shoulder blade pull and then your shoulders up and down. Initially, it is a very tough exercise to do. So we recommend that you do the earlier part of the exercises. Once you are good at that, then you come on to this. You now pull the shoulder blades together and then you lift the arm up and down. Again, pull the shoulder blades and take it up and down. Again, pull. This is same way ready to do, but the focus is going to be on the shoulder blades to come together. That's the right way of doing this exercise. So we prefer to start on prone where there is going to be less mistakes and more effective shoulder blade. Once they are able to do that efficiently, then we progress to this position. Start it slightly in front and you're going to lift your hand up, but the shoulder blades are going to be pulled down and up and down. So you don't have to go down all the way. So you can just come about 10-20 degrees down. Shoulder blades go down and your arm raises up. Bring it down. So when you do this exercise, it is necessary that you get your shoulder blade functioning and then your shoulders are lifting it up. Good. So this is the third exercise. Now we're going to do a fourth exercise where you're going to have your arms straight up You're going to maintain a 90-degree, like an L on both the sides. Hold on to that position, and then you're going to move your shoulder blades backward. So, a piece of advice for people who are going to sit on the computers and work at home or sit and study. So, try to maintain this position and your neck position as much as possible. Now, the problem is your eyes is going to follow the book or the monitor or the keyboard. So, ideally, you want to have your hands go up here so that you can hold the book here so that your head is here. If you're using a mobile or a tab, it has to come here. If not, you have to have your monitor trying to be placed up. Now, people who are going to work from home, you can use a laptop, but we can do it with a small modification where you place the laptop at a higher table so that your head is up and your hand will go up. Again, that's a problem. So what do? You use an additional keyboard, bring that hand down so that you can watch the monitor with your head being straight, and your hands can use the keyboard and it can still make your shoulders broad. With the keyboard on the laptop, the shoulder has to go into a rounded pattern. So put your monitor, laptop up higher, use an additional keyboard and a mouse so that your shoulders are still broader and you can work on it.